Oh, then guys, I've got a little tip for you. If you need some decent, or what seem like decent, I haven't put them through their paces fully yet, porcelain diamond drill bits, go to Amazon, because they sell these ones. I've done one hole. They come in a pack of 5 in little plastic tubs. I think it was, I'll double check, don't quote me, I think they're about 15 quid a pack. And I've done one hole so far with it dry, and it went through really quick. So let me just show you. There you go, we're in. Pull it down. Yeah, it's 2 clean holes. Amazon special, almost the equivalent of the Ox ones. But yeah, I rate those. I'll try and find a link for them. I've got these from Amazon. I'll see if I can find a link for you guys. But yeah, definitely rate them drill bits, really good.